Deer Scallops. All right, we've got some South Dakota whitetail doe tenderloins. Just some simple salt and pepper, just some sea salt from a grounder right there. A little bit of black pepper, just S&P. Doesn't need anything else. Now these bad boys will sit here for about 30 minutes before we do them on cast iron. I went ahead and cut these tenderloins into medallions about an inch and a half thick, then seasoned them with salt and pepper again on the ends before searing them in a cast iron pot with some olive oil and butter. Let's see how we did here. I'd say that's pretty perfect. Let's see how it tastes here. That's good. That's delicious. Wow. That might be my new favorite prep.